What's up, y'all? It's Sharon B back again with another video to help you make money and glow up your life in 2025. Now listen, you don't need to go back to school, and you don't need a fancy degree to start working online. All you need is the right skill, something that companies actually pay for right now. So in this video, I'm breaking down 7 skills you can learn in just 7 days that can help you land a legit remote job or freelance gig this year. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss when I drop the next video on side hustles and remote work that actually pay in 2025. Alright, let's jump in. Skill number 1, AI Content Assistant, ChatGPT, Copy.ai, Jasper. AI tools are the new wave, and companies are paying people who can use them efficiently. You can literally learn this skill in under a week by practicing with ChatGPT, Copy.ai, or Jasper. Businesses need people to generate blog posts, social media captions, and product descriptions. Earning potential, $25 to $60 per hour. Where to find work: Upwork, Fiverr, or directly pitching small brands on Instagram. Tip: learn prompts that make AI sound human. That's what clients pay for. Number 2, Canva design, beginner graphic design. If you can drag, drop, and have a little eye for style, you can make money with Canva. You can start creating YouTube thumbnails, flyers, resumes, or social media posts for brands. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube and Canva's own design school that'll get you started fast. Earning potential, $20 to $75 per project. Where to find work: Fiverr, Etsy, or TikTok Shop for digital templates. Tip: make a few sample designs, screenshot them, and post them as a portfolio. Number 3, social media management. Businesses need someone to post, comment, and reply to DMs, and that could be you. Spend a few days learning how to schedule posts on tools like Later, Buffer, or Metricool. You'll be managing content calendars, tracking engagement, and helping pages grow. Earning potential, $500 to $1,500 per month, per client. Where to find work: Indeed, Remote.co, or cold email small businesses. Lightbulb tip: offer a 7-day free trial to prove your value. Clients love results before commitment. Skill number 4, short-form video editing, TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Video content is everything right now. You can learn editing apps like CapCut or VN Editor in a few days, and start helping influencers or brands make vertical videos. Earning potential, $25 to $100 per video. Where to find work: TikTok Creator Marketplace, Fiverr, or by DMing creators who need help staying consistent. Tip: add trending sounds and quick cuts. That's what boosts retention and gets you noticed. Number 5, customer chat support, remote-friendly skill. This one's great if you don't want to be on camera or phone calls. Customer support reps help companies handle messages through chat and email. You can learn how to use tools like Zendesk, Intercom, or Freshdesk in just a few days. Earning potential, $15 to $22 per hour. Where to find work: Mod Squad, LiveOps, or Working Solutions. Tip: practice typing fast and clear. Most hiring tests are speed and accuracy based. Number 6, AI testing and evaluation, no experience needed. Companies like TELUS International and WeLocalize hire people to test AI tools, review ads, or rate search results. You'll get short training, and after a few tasks you'll be earning from home. The skill here is just being detail-oriented and learning how AI systems rank content. Earning potential, $14 to $20 per hour. Where to find work: TELUS, Remotasks, or Appen. Tip: sign up for multiple platforms to always have active projects waiting. Number 7, remote virtual assistant, all-around skill. This one never goes out of style. You can learn how to organize emails, schedule appointments, or manage social media for busy entrepreneurs. Start by mastering Google Workspace and Notion, both are free to learn. Earning potential, $20 to $35 per hour. Where to find work: Belay, Time, etc., or direct outreach through LinkedIn. Tip: offer mini VA packages, like 5 hours a week, to attract new clients faster. So there you have it, 7 skills you can learn in just 7 days that'll open doors to real remote work in 2025. Don't overthink it. Pick one skill, commit 1 week to learning, and start applying. You never know, that one skill could change your whole year. Drop a flexed biceps emoji in the comments if you're ready to learn one this week. And don't forget to subscribe because my next video is all about remote jobs paying daily, and some of them don't even require an interview. This is Sharon B, helping you turn your time into income. See you in the next one. Laptop Computer Sparkles.